Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe, bringing you this incredibly rare Jaguar F-Pace, a large SUV. But this isn't any ordinary F-Pace. This particular one is the F-Pace P400 R-Dynamic HSE, finished here in beautiful Santorini black colour. As one of our approved used vehicles, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, along with driveway insurance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. This model also comes with a number of optional extras, such as upgraded 22-inch alloy wheels, black pack, MERIDIAN surround sound system, wireless phone charger, and even a full sliding panoramic roof. Those gloss black 22-inch alloys look absolutely gorgeous, and they're incredibly menacing when compared with the Santorini black colour. There's also keyless entry and start, as well as privacy glass in the back. Passengers in the rear of the cabin will be incredibly happy, as the car offers loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers, finished in this ebony black leather with light oyster contrasted stitching. Centre armrest for cup holders is available, and even independent rear air vents with independent heated rear seats to keep your passengers in the back very happy indeed. Moving over to rear, there's also full LED taillights with large twin exhaust pipes for that sportier feel. When your hands are full, the boot space is also power opening and closing, which is a nice feature to have. Revealing a very large load area, it's also slightly reinforced for the cargo, and the rear seats can always be folded down in a 40-20-40 split seat. The pan roof looks absolutely gorgeous, and the boot itself can easily be closed at a single push of a button. A quick glimpse inside the front cabin is no different, with a large leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, interactive driver display, and the front seats have also been upgraded to sport seats now, which will be incredibly huggy and are guaranteed to keep you in your seat. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar F-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now, or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once inside the cabin of this Jaguar, it really is a lovely place to find yourself in. Looks incredibly gorgeous, it's also very nicely stitched together and put together nicely too. Driver control panels and even the center armrest look quite nice, and the MERIDIAN surround system will offer crisp sound quality for the music lovers amongst you. The multifunction wheel will even benefit from a heated functionality to keep your hands warm, and the left side will operate Bluetooth connectivity too. The IDD interactive drive display looks incredibly gorgeous and comes with various functions. Bespoke drive modes such as rain, ice, snow will offer additional grip, whilst the economy mode will prioritize efficiency as well. Comfort mode is great for everyday driving, with the dynamic mode being ideal for those of you preferring a more sporty spirited drive. The system is also quite interactive, which will allow you to change the layout of the display dials, changing it for example from 2 dials to 1 dial, and there is even a full map functionality and visibility too, which will offer you full widescreen view. The map system itself, as you can see, is directly taken from Google Maps, so you've got that next level visibility as well to make sure you never get lost. The center floating screen is no different, offering you nice graphics, but also features a more traditional menu if you prefer to use it. For satellite navigation needs, you can also display on the center screen, and the radio stations can easily be operated via AM, FM, and DAB digital radio. Map system itself is very quick to respond and offers 3D and 2D view modes, whichever you prefer. Also, seats can also be fully optimized and played around with, and they can benefit from both heated and cooling function, giving you 3-stage setting on either side as well. So whatever the weather, you're guaranteed to get cozy and incredibly comfortable. Other great features will also include the climate control system, which can do exactly the same thing, choosing quickly where the air will focus and blow. Also, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces are available, and the dynamic eye system will allow you to optimize the feel of your car to choose your own independent individual driving mode. The all-wheel drive system will add extra grip and confidence whilst on the road or off the road, and also you can see what's happening. Ambient light pack can also illuminate the cabin at night, and whatever your mood, you can choose various colors throughout. Also, other great features will include the likes of Alexa and weather functionality, and to help with parking, also reverse parking camera will be available, complemented by a widescreen angle view, as well as front and rear audible parking sensors. As we move down the cabin, easy to use 2-zone climate control system is easily operated via the rotary dials. Pushing them away from you can quickly adjust the heated seat functionality, whilst pulling the dial towards you will adjust the power of the fan in simple to use numerical numbers. There's also a heated windscreen available, which is great for frosty mornings, and a wireless smartphone charger I mentioned earlier. Drive mode selector is easily available from that rotary dial, with large cup holders for drinks and deep center armors with USB connectors. The sliding pan roof is easily operated via these 2 buttons. A single push will retract the electric sunshade, and the sunroof itself has a 2-stage opening. A simple tilt opening to let in a little bit of air inside, like now, or simply pressing again will fully retract the glass to let in loads of air inside. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Pace P400 HSE that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 386, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.